If your sewing machine spool pin is broken, this is how you fix it. First, you want to dry fit the pin to the base. That way you would know where the grooves are. This will help to align the pin when you're ready to attach it. We will be using baking soda and super glue. Put a tablespoon of baking soda on a dish. Screw the cap on your super glue so that it will punch an opening on the super glue. Put a generous amount of the super glue onto the base. Now attach the pin to the base and make sure it is straight. Once it is straight, you can now sprinkle baking soda on the glue. Do not touch the baking soda and glue mixture because the mixture will become hot. Put as much baking soda as you can around the pin, and with the use of Q-tips, you can put baking soda under the pin as well. The baking soda and super glue mixture creates a strong bond.
Yep. So what are you doing in work right now? Yeah, you haven't had anything, but you should put blind.
If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.